We have here the Webb 51cm, larger machine for those medium and larger lawns. Just built that bit stronger for you to use with confidence. Webb lawnmowers, built for quality, features, but affordable. That is the most important thing, affordable. We have a machine here cutting that 51cm width in one go, making the job quicker and easier. On the Webb 51 we put 173cc, even bigger engine to give you that power for those larger areas. Starting the machine really is easy. 3 presses of the primer button, the safety lever to the handles, pull the starter, really does start so easy. Then the self-drive, hold that forward and that will power your machine. Really does make this machine so easy to use. Our Webb 51 has this metal blade, solid steel blade, and this upturned blade here, giving this vortex under the deck there, collecting every blade of grass that it cuts, pushing it right into the back of the grass box. Height of cut on your 51cm, look at this lovely big lever, operating that whole machine on that height of cut. 7 different settings from 25mm to 75mm. The longest of grass to the shortest of grass is made so easy. Grass collection on our 51 is with the mesh bag. Mesh bag, so we let the air through, not the grass, again ensuring we collect every blade of grass. 65 litres of capacity because we've got the bigger machine. Fitting the mower, so simple and so easy. Handles fold completely over the machine, making it very simple for storage and for transport. We've put a front bumper bar on the Webb 51 just to ensure there's no damage to the machine up against trees, walls, etc. Another addition to the Webb 51. Soft grip handle on this machine, making it even more comfortable for mowing. And yet another feature on our 51cm is the mulching plug. The mulching plug going into the rear of the machine, sitting in there, then what that does is stop the outlet of the grass so that it cuts the grass time and time again, cutting it so fine, so you no need to collect, saving up to 30% of your cutting time. In the summer months, this is so valuable, getting the nutrient back into the lawn, the mulching plug. We've got the side discharge also on this 51cm, enabling us to cut really long grass, and I mean grass up to your knees. Open the side chute there by that small lever, just pull that up, open that, put your side discharge deflector that is supplied with the machine. That then will dispense with that grass from that machine, and you really can cut very long grass. We put bearings in these wheels so to make it simple and easy. See how easy it glides, just making the whole job easier.